Hello, we're in Zoology, and we are doing our presentation today on that's how do you say it?
Ecological problems.
And we're basically informing y'all about our society and our community and the problems that arise. And it's me, Catherine, Dre, and Joy, and here we go.
Okay, the three main ecological problems are human population growth, resource depletion, and biodiversity and pollution. Human population growth is limited supply of resources. Age structure, proportion of a population in a pre-reproductive, reproductive, and post-reproductive classes. Pollution. Pollution consists of acid deposition, which is sulfur dioxide and water combined to produce sulfuric acid, which fall as acid. Okay, you want to read that part?
Um, Biological manufacturing,
Magnification.
that too. Um,
Too many.
Accumulate of matter in food webs and resource depletion and biodiversity,
And then,
variety of living organisms in the ecosystem.
the main threats to biological diversity arise from habitat destruction, which is what's going on over here.
Construction sites and
Yes.
rebuilding and taking away trees, forests, and habitations of animals.
And this happens because the expanding human population. Energy is an ecosystem and is not recyclable energy that is fixed by producers and eventually lost as heat.
Not only are these forests being cut down and animals are losing their houses, you got pollution arising, which, as you can see, this parking lot, tons of cars and chemicals that are being released into the air in which we breathe. And you got, if you could tell over there, you got more parking spots and numerous parking spots all around campus. This is just one school, and just imagine how many other cars are on the road and how many other campuses have tons of parking lots. Joy, go ahead, Joy. It's your turn. Whatever you feel like saying. Joy, whenever you're ready. And our presentation is in chapter 6, and
6, which is covering chapter 6, which is covering ecology, preserving the animal kingdom.
yeah, and
And this clearly is not preserving the animal kingdom.
Well, ecology is the study of the relationships of organisms to their environment and to other organisms. So basically, what we are covering is the ecological problems. And by being here in this outside of this construction site, we're showing what used to be before just trees, kind of like right over here. It used to be trees. It used to be like a forest type. And I'm sure that there was a population of like different types of animals, birds, squirrels, I don't know, maybe
raccoons,
possums,
possum,
raccoons, even dogs. Okay, random. But there was different things going on, and all of that pretty much got destroyed because it's not really like you can remove an area of forest and put it somewhere else. Really, once you get rid of it, you got rid of it, and there's really not a way we can recover it. So basically, this construction site going on right now is just depleting our environment. We're getting rid of what used to be natural resources and building some because of human population growth, which is the reason why we needed a new building, because there is more people coming in. There's, the city's growing, so this is bringing in more things that could affect our environment.
communities and populations are increasing.
And
Communities and populations are increasing due to this.
and communities and population are increasing due to the fact that it is that there is growth in our schools. It's attracting more people to come, and it's giving us more reasons to just keep growing and, in a sense, be depleting our environment. So that pretty much covers our ecological problems. our little section. But yeah, here's a little video showing you guys what we learned.